Imagine the feeling when you enjoy a delicious dish made from perfectly thin slices of meat. Each soft piece of meat melts in the mouth, providing a wonderful taste experience. Bite into a piece of crispy, chewy, rich sausage. I feel the perfect blend of ingredients, along with the sophistication in every line and every flavor. Tray stacking line, combined with tomato distributor, is an automatic system designed to stack tomatoes in trays and stack trays in rows. Have you ever seen a cheese cutting machine in action? Imagine you are enjoying a hot cheese sandwich, with fatty slices of cheese melting on the tip of your tongue. Wish you could see my happy smile while enjoying this delicious dish. Rhythmic and delicate, each step of sugar bag packaging production is like a colorful dance. The plump apples are dropped into the cool water stream in the processor. The water gently washes away dirt and impurities, leaving beautiful, shiny apples. Have you ever wondered how to build a beautiful and sustainable house? Let's explore and apply to create your perfect living space. Mini Sandwich Maker makes shredded chicken sandwiches, lamb cutlets, etc. more quickly and easily. With the ability to cut frozen meat at minus 18 degrees Celsius into cubes, ranging in size from 5 millimeters to 25 millimeters. You no longer have to fiddle with knives and cutting boards. You just need to put the meat into the machine and wait for the results. Bacon is my favorite food. Its irresistible taste makes me passionate. Every time I see it, I can't resist. Products are cooked in their own fat, so the result of this process is a product that looks appetizing and has a natural flavor, without any added fat and with a little weight loss. The product is designed to quickly and evenly grill both sides of flank steaks in just one use. Golden meat of perfection, mouth-watering aroma, and irresistible taste. Unique meatballs like meatballs. What's special is that these meatballs are not only delicious, but also extremely beautiful. Imagine looking at a table of food and seeing balls of meat like bouncing balls.